Good morning, everybody. It is December 26, 2021. What you see on the screen is the Astro Excel calculator. This is the actual Excel tool that comes with the software when you get the book and course. So what we have here coming into the last week of December, we barely get outside the 10 lines. Here we got minus 10 on Monday. We turn down below, but we start out Sunday flatlining. We're going to start to break downward pressure into Monday. We bottom out around 1500. Then we start to track upward, and then we get to the zero line, and we bounce back and forth for that whole trading session on Tuesday. After the close, we get some upward pressure until about 2100 in the evening. Then we've got downward pressure till 2 a.m. on Wednesday the 29th. Then we push up till about 1800 that evening, down again until just after midnight on Thursday. Then we've got some upward pressure till about 9 a.m. Thursday, and then we're going to push down for the rest of the week into the close. So that's the trend determination for the week. We've got some big spikes outside the 10 lines on Monday. We've got this point here at 10 a.m. Be looking for that. Look for the other indicators to confirm something in that time frame. And then on Wednesday we have a spike at around 1300. Again, the same thing. I look for the other indicators to fine-tune that timing. And then in the evening around 2100 we have a spike low. And then the only other important spike that week would be on Friday, and that comes in around noon. Again, you want to lock these down with your other indicators, because this is a general type of an hourly indication here. So this will get you ballpark, fine-tune with the pH, rainbow, and the other tools. So there's the week ahead. That's it for today. We will be back again tomorrow. Looks like we have a couple of good timing windows setting up for Monday, so we'll go over those in tomorrow morning's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.